Collecting water in a rain barrel is a great way to conserve water for use in your garden or landscaping. Put it at any downspout around your home, garage, or outbuilding to catch and store free water. All you need is a plastic drum and the earth-minded DIY rain barrel kit from US Plastic to quickly assemble a state-of-the-art rain barrel with a diverter. The diverter sends rainwater into the barrel, then once the barrel is full, the diverter will automatically pass excess water through the downspout, preventing the barrel from flooding. The diverter is easy to remove from the downspout in winter, and this kit includes a winter hole cover. Step 1. Gather parts and tools. Make sure you have everything included in the rain barrel kit, plus a plastic drum. We recommend one like this from TAMCO. You'll also need safety glasses, safety gloves, a drill, measuring tape or ruler, a pencil, a Phillips screwdriver, and a level. Step 2. Select a location for your rain barrel. Choose a downspout that's nearby the plants or garden beds you'll be watering. The downspout needs to be a standard rectangular 2" by 3" or 3" by 4". To use the fill hose provided, the barrel needs to sit between 6 and 28 inches away from the downspout. Remove the lid and make sure the barrel is level. Hold the fill hose in position between the barrel and the downspout and mark the spot on the rim of the barrel. It can be at the back or side of the barrel. Step 3. Install the fill hose seal. Measure 3 inches down from the mark on the rim of the barrel and make a new mark. This will be the center for the water inlet hole. Drill a hole using the medium hole saw included in the kit, the 1.5" hole saw. Then insert the fill hose seal into the hole. You can pinch the seal into a U-shape to make this easier. Step 4. Install the front fittings on the barrel. We'll be installing a mid-height spigot and a bottom drain spigot. Both have standard garden hose connections. First, measure and mark the holes. For the mid-height spigot hole, find the front of the barrel and measure 12 inches up from the bottom. For the drain hole, measure 2.5 inches from the bottom, and we recommend going 6 inches right or left to provide clearance for filling a watering can. Drill the holes on these marks using the small 1¼ hole saw. Then insert the threaded rubber seals into the holes. You can pinch the seal into a U-shape to make this easier. Thread the spigots into the seal until the hex collar sits firmly against the seal. You can use soapy water or hand lotion to reduce friction and improve the fit. Now let's talk about the diverter. The FlexiFit diverter needs to be installed properly for it to correctly fill the barrel and keep it from overflowing. The hole cut into the downspout needs to be at the right height. If the hole is too low, the barrel won't fill. And if the hole is too high, the barrel will overflow. Step 5 is to measure and mark the diverter hole on the downspout. With a level, straight edge placed on the rim of the barrel, use a pencil to mark the downspout. Then measure 3 inches down from the mark and make a second mark. This will be your reference mark for the diverter height. If you plan to use an elevated base, be sure to build it before measuring and cutting the downspout. Step 6. Drill the diverter hole. Using the large 2 1/8" hole saw, align the center bit of the drill with the center mark on the downspout and drill. Cut slow and steady, keeping a firm hold on the drill without forcing it. Be sure to wear safety glasses and gloves while drilling, and remember that the cut edges of the downspout can be sharp. Step 7. Install the diverter by inserting it into the hole in the downspout. Squeeze the sides and push it in until the flange sits flat. Don't twist it. Just push it straight in with the collection cup facing up at all times to ensure a proper seal. Make sure the arrow on the front is pointing straight up. Then use 2 of the self-tapping screws to finish attaching it. Connect the fill hose by pressing the hose in until the corrugated section is flush against the diverter. If you're having trouble, use soapy water or hand lotion to reduce friction and improve the fit. Step 8. Connect the barrel. Extend the hose to the desired length and connect the other end to the fill hose seal on the barrel. Press the hose end firmly into the seal until the corrugated section is flush. Replace the lid and make sure it's secure. And just like that, you've got a completed rain barrel. Enjoy your free rainwater. One last thing. To avoid damage, it's important not to let water freeze in the barrel. To winterize, remove the diverter by taking out the 2 screws and pulling it out in an upwards motion. completely drain the barrel, making sure the water is being drained away from the foundation of the house. Cover the hole in the downspout with the winter hole cover and secure with the 2 screws. Then store the barrel and diverter for the winter. We installed this kit with a 55-gallon open head drum with a removable lid from TAMCO and a standard 2x3-inch downspout. Be sure to read the instructions carefully before you begin to adjust to your specific setup. If you have any questions or want to learn more about our TAMCO drums and other plastic products, please visit usplastic.com.